guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to recreate this cute trendy iron-on patch crop top shirt. I hope you guys enjoy it because I sure did. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Stay tuned for future videos, and let's get into it. And I'm going to start with my just regular schmegular blank t-shirt. And before we get started, if you're not using an ironing board and you're just using like a little table like me, just make sure to put some padding down just so it can be more stable. And we're just going to fluff the shirt out, get it to where we want it, So I've tried this shirt on, this particular shirt, at least like twice, so I know exactly where I want my patches to go. But before you actually put your patches on here, just make sure you try the shirt on and like put the patches where you would want it while it's on you, just to make it a little bit easier. So now I'm just gonna position my Okay, but can we talk about these, please? How cute. I got these off of Amazon, you guys. So adorable. I thought these were amazing. And I'm just gonna center these off. I think I want them like about here, pretty spaced out. And bring it down a little bit more. Now that you guys have your placement for your patches, you're just gonna go ahead and place that sheet of paper over top, like so. And then now you're actually gonna go get your iron. I'm not sure if I told you that earlier in the video, you guys, but yes, you need an iron. So now you're gonna take your iron.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not embarrassed?
And it's been heating up for a little bit, so I'm actually good to go. So now that I have everything placed and set, I'm just going to take my iron and go over the patches. I want to stay here for like a minute just to make sure. All right, and it's been literally like 60 seconds, I think. So we're just gonna stop ironing, lift that paper up, and it's on there. I'm so excited to put this on. You guys have no idea. I'm just gonna go back in a little bit because I see that started to lift. I'm not gonna leave you guys hanging like that. Take that off. We are good to go. All right, now that we have the patches ironed on, we are going to cut this shirt. Make it a little bit trendy, a little bit up to date. So I'm gonna start at the end. I don't know if you guys can see, like I already started cutting and then I had to stop. So you're just gonna basically cut it down in a straight line down the middle. That's pretty much it.
Go your pouch. Braxton, go down.
Hey guys, so now that we have our patches ironed on are cut. I'm just going to show you like a basic style that you can do for any shirt, not just this shirt. So as you can see, I went and just put on a shirt just so you could see what it would look like. Not, I had on like a t-shirt earlier. You guys weren't going to get the gist. You weren't going to get it. So step back a little bit more so you can see me. Just give it a little simple tie. Like that. Maybe tuck the tails a little bit so they're not sticking out. Ooh. So they're not sticking out. Depending on how you rock. If you want to tuck it all the way in so the girls can show, you can do that. Or, you know, you can just leave it out. I kind of like it like, not gonna stay like that. And I like when my ends are a little bit curly, like after you cut a shirt and then the ends, they're like curly a little bit. I love that. So I'm just gonna take it and stretch it out because I think that's so cute. And then decorate it with some jewelry and stuff. And I'll be back with the finished product. And we are back with the final look. And this is what it looks like in the end, you guys. Took my top off, took the cami I had on off underneath, added some jewelry. And this is the final look. Really cute, quick, simple, something you can do. Date night, out with your friends, you don't got nothing to wear. Wearing on some patches. Get with it. Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for my next video.